The Devonshire 2 from Cardel Homes features a bright, spacious foyer with a direct sightline to soaring two-story windows in the open concept great room. There's ample light throughout the main floor. A flex room allows for a functional main floor office, music room, or play area for young families. It's close to the main floor hub of the home. There's abundant room in the kitchen, with a working island and additional cabinetry and countertop in this alternate kitchen option. It makes not only cooking a breeze, but a comfortable place for homework, a quick breakfast, or entertaining friends and family exactly where you want to be. The Devonshire's main floor mudroom is accessible from the garage and provides plenty of storage room. A wide stairwell is open to the great room and features oak spindles and handrail. It creates a spacious feel as you walk up to the second floor. A large master bedroom includes a walk-in closet and a soothing ensuite, featuring a freestanding tub, an upgrade in this home, a glass shower, and a private water closet. All 3 second-floor bedrooms in the Devonshire 2 are spacious, offering good-sized windows. 2 of the bedrooms include walk-in closets. The convenient second-floor laundry is both handy and cheerful, with a window to brighten things up. Cardel's Devonshire 2 single-family home is available in these popular Ottawa area communities.